Hi Rodriguez, this is Hira from Fluid Grid Marketing. I wanted to send you this quick video to go over some tips that you could do in-house. This will bring in some more business utilizing your existing website and Google Business Profile. So I just wanted to go through your existing website, which I think you're doing a great job on, that you have a lot of content, you have a list of your services, you have your number up here, you have your reviews really to get a really trust when other people, customers, potential customers come to your site. I think something that you could use is that having a call to action that is much clearer. So sometimes when people see a lot of buttons, they start clicking around and then they lose what they actually came to do on the website. So something that would be helpful is having the phone number in the center, having some kind of contact or some kind of form in the center of the page. Another thing is that you could have even more words. Google likes to see 1,500 to 2,000 words on a website because it has crawlers scanning for keywords. And keywords are the words that are searched for on Google. So you want to put in exactly what you think your customers would be looking for. So I did pull up your website on a tool called Ahrefs to get a basic analytic view of your website. We look at the UR and the DR numbers, which measure the strength and trust you have with Google. Anywhere between 30 to 40 is a good, well-performing number. You also just want to consider your competitors and make sure you're beating them out. A few things that could improve these numbers is one, the backlinks. So the backlinks are anywhere you find a website linking to another using clickable text. So these links act as an endorsement from others. However, not all backlinks are created equally. So even if you have a lot of them, you want to make sure that they're not spammy and related to the niche that you're in. And that would send power to your site and boost your strength number. The other thing that you want to do is have keywords that are getting a high number of volume, which you seem to be doing quite well on. You are driving about approximately 569 hits per month to your website. And if we take a look at your website, you do have some high buyer intent keywords. You're positioning at number 2. And there are quite a few keywords though that you could get a higher position from in searching on Google. So I went ahead and searched for where your position is number 2 at Roof Leak Repair, New Jersey. And I wanted to show you just how your customers would be perceiving the page when they do search for this. So the first thing, of course, that you do see are the ads section. The ads section is something really to consider if you want immediate visibility. Of course, it is on the top of the Google page. Then the second section is what I'm really going to focus on because about 30 to 40% of people coming to your site come from this area. And then, of course, you have the organics where you land at the top of. So good job with that. So let's go into the Google Map Pack. And in the Google Map Pack, I don't see your business over here, but I do want to point out a way to actually get up here on the top. So some things to really consider that you want to do. So if we open up one of your competitors, you can see that they have their website, their address, and their phone number. You want to get your name, address, and number exactly as your Google Business Profile and have them placed in different directories like Yelp, Better Business Bureau, Angie's List, because Google is a popularity contest. So you want to get your name in as many places as possible. And then another thing that I would recommend is getting as many reviews as possible from your customers, and not just reviews, but also responding to the reviews. You can see some of these are being responded to. The more you respond to them, the higher you should be landing in this Google Map Pack. So very important for you to get visibility over here. And then I did pull up one of your competitors, and you can see over here that visually I think your website is a little better, but they do have a lot of words. They are going to get a lot of keywords. you can see that their UR and DR ratings are a bit higher. And so that is because of the backlinks that they are generating. Perhaps they have high quality backlinks, and even the ratio between the keywords and the traffic that is being generated is quite high. So these are things that you can get ideas even from their keywords, what's working for them, what's generating a lot of volume. So you can see over here some high buyer intent keywords are just like the types of roofs materials that they have. So you can really take a look over here, what's working for them. So here are some of the recommendations that I have. Of course, if you have any further questions, I'm happy to answer them. And I hope you found this video useful to increase your traffic, and I would definitely love to hear your feedback.